Hey guys, so today I'm here and I'm going to be doing a quick review on the Saharan 2 palette. This is by Juvia's Place. It is really super pretty. You got some ladies on the front. It is purple, and on the inside it is yellow. I kind of love the purple and yellow together. I've been using these palettes one by one, and this is one of the palettes I feel comfortable with sharing. But I've been taking my time and using these palettes, and this is one of the palettes I feel comfortable with giving a review with because this is one of them that I've used the most. I absolutely love this. It's a perfect like fall, autumn palette. Like, I just love it so much. You got burgundies and these burnt oranges, and they're just so perfect. I really like doing this orange with this blue. It's a lot of fun. I really love this palette. The shimmers are great. The pan size, absolutely huge. Definitely great quality. Actually, I'm regretting that I didn't get onto Juvia's Place sooner, because for the amount of money, the quality, and the amount of product you get is just amazing. Lately, the cheaper end of makeup has been calling to me more than the more higher end palettes. I find them lately to be lackluster, and lately when I've been buying more higher end palettes, I've been a bit more disappointed in their quality. But this is really good. $20. I got mine from Ulta, and so guys, it is so pretty. And if you guys are wondering, because this will come out probably after the Warrior 2, I got the Warrior 2 off at Juvia's Place. So I did get that one off at Juvia's Place, but these ones I got from Ulta. But highly recommend this. I think it's gorgeous. If you like these tones, I don't think you'll be disappointed. But thank you guys so much for watching. I did want to give a quick review on this. Alright, thank you guys. Bye.